Welcome back, Motorheads. This is What Do You Have Car Finds on Facebook Marketplace Fans Edition. First, we got what they are calling a bug Jeep for $300. This one here was sent to us by the Salty Shark. Thanks a lot there, Salty Shark. What in the methed up kissing cousin hell is happening here with this poor little Volkswagen? God almighty, what in the absolute hell were you even thinking? Now, the rest of us might not have any idea what you were thinking, but we coming up with some good ideas if your damn family tree has no damn branches, buddy. Your decision-making privileges have been revoked. Next, got a 1983 Mercedes-Benz for $6,000. This one here was sent to us by Tara Vansenbrock. Thanks a lot there, Tara. Delusional Dave had it again, $6,000. He said it gets loads of attention. It's getting the kind of attention you don't want. Kind of like loving in prison. The loving you're getting, you don't want. Better hurry up and run and get this one here, boys and girls, because it comes with an extra stack for that $6,000, because, you know, everybody's going to have that goofy-ass stack sticking out of the hood of their damn car. Next, got a 1995 Pontiac Firebird for $3,000. This one here was sent to us by Dominic Robinson. Thanks a lot there, Dominic. Now, what in the inbred Whitaker family hell done happened to this damn Firebird? What in the absolute F were you doing here? This is just, ugh. There needs to be some sort of committee that people need to submit their plans on what they're trying to build to see if it's an okay thing to do so it doesn't scare the hell out of the rest of us. Next, got a 1989 Toyota for $3,500. This one here was sent to us by Lance Kruger. Thanks a lot, Lance. What in the absolute hell do we got here? That poor little Toyota. I mean, is this the epitome of got a little junk in the trunk? That's a lot of bed on the back of that little truck. Which is too bad they kind of did that, but the cab of the little Toyota actually doesn't look bad, and it's got a good motor in it. One thing I can figure is they done ripped the chassis out from underneath one of the little Dolphin motorhomes or something. You gotta love our rednecks. Next, got a 1984 Mercedes-Benz for $5,000. This one here is sent to us by Joseph Thomas. Thanks a lot there, Joseph. Well, folks, let me introduce you to Delusional Dave's little brother, Delusional Dan, who also has a Mercedes. He wants $1,000 less, but yet, sticking with true family tradition, the stack runs through the damn hood because everything's cooler with a stack through the hood. Oh my God, people, you really got to stop putting stacks through the hood on every damn thing, and $5,000? No! Next, we got an off-road Gremlin for $1,100. This one here was sent to us by Mike Rowe. Thanks a lot there, Mike. Just gotta ask though, Mike, are you Mike Rowe from Dirty Job? Because I'm telling you right now, look at this Gremlin, this is going to be a dirty job. And I don't think anybody really in their right state of mind would want to take on this particular project, even for $1,100. I mean, look at the damn rust on this thing. No, the fungolitis is strong on this one here. This Gremlin here actually has smell-o-vision, because you can just look at the picture and tell it smells like raccoon stink nuggets with a side of Halloween and asparagus. Next, got a 2002 Chrysler PT Loser for $1,100. This one here was sent to us by Anthony from Kentucky. Thanks a lot there, Anthony. What the hell's going on with these damn headlights? Did you sit down with a rational state of mind and think, how can I make a PT Cruiser look any goofier? Oh, wait, I got it. I got some weird spotlights we're going to stick in the damn fender and close off the headlights. And just kind of make it look like a big-eyed frog. Get the hell out of here, man. Now, after I've defaced it, I don't want nothing but cash. I want cash only, no trade. I put all these parts in it. It don't run because it needs a PCM. In other words, come get my yard art for $1,100. No. Next, got a 1983 GMC 3500 for $5,000. This one here is sent to us by Derek Whitcraft. Thanks a lot there, Derek. Oh, my Lord, man. How could you be so dumb to ruin a damn square body like that? Oh, my God. You people make my damn head hurt. You know, this truck probably could have been kind of cool. Whatever the hell vision you had going on, it's the opposite of cool. It's definitely not cool. This is bad. This is just dumb. And $5,000? No, $5,000. No pass go, cut $200. None of that kind of crap applies here to this thing here. Absolutely not there, dum-dum. Dude, I just can't believe you ruined that. And oh, I love the damn seats. That's the most uncomfortable looking damn thing. That's a medieval torture device you want people to ride on to go somewhere? No wonder you only take it to a few shows here and there. I wouldn't want to ride on that damn thing either. And hell, that's not to mention the dashboard of doom. You're gonna leave some teeth in there if you ever get in a collision. Look, dude, just pack up all your tools, give them to the damn neighbor, go home and slap your own damn hands for a while, put yourself in the corner. Next got a 1940 GMC cab over for $25,000. This one here was sent to us by Albert Tremblay. Thanks a lot there, Albert. $25,000? Seriously? No, dummy. You're not getting $25,000 out of this cab over. Now, look, I like the cab overs, and I like what's left of cab overs sometimes, and I'll buy stupid things like that because I kind of like it. But $25,000, and if that's you sitting in the driver's seat, I guess we kind of figured out where you got that number from. You pulled it out of the same place you pulled your head out of your ass because you forgot to wear your helmet that day. Next got a 1986 Dodge for $3,500. This one here is sent to us by Jim Allen. Thanks a lot there, Jim. What in the zombie apocalypse RV holler hell is going on with this damn Dodge? Yeah, that's different. Not saying it's different in like a complete bad way. I think I need to go lock myself up. I need to go ahead and just call one of them support groups and somebody needs to come pick my brain because I don't necessarily hate what's going on here. I don't like the way things are executed here, but I can kind of see something cool out of that. Yeah, I think I might want to call the doctor and get another script to help my brain here or something. I think I kind of like need to reach out to this guy and ask him what he was thinking when he built this and what was going through his brain. Because I kind of like to know, I mean, are you just a prepper and waiting for the apocalypse to happen or what? Or did this kind of like come to you like one of those great redneck dreams of I will build it and everybody will like it? Or has your cheese just slid completely off your cracker? This thing needs completely gutted to get all the fungolitis out of it. Somebody's going to have to go pull Bob Vila back out of retirement, have him come and redo everything inside of here. But I think you can make something pretty cool out of that. I hope I'm not the only one that's lost my mind thinking that. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments. Remember, if you come across a WTF vehicle that you think us and the rest of the world need to see, be sure to send it over to MotorheadMisfitsYT@yahoo.com for your chance at a shout out on the channel. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you liked today's video, be sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.